So let's go ahead and use the foamer on this fender well and let's see how it goes. Yeah, we can get the tire too, that's okay. As a quick side note, if you haven't yet, I would highly encourage you go check out my channel where I do all kinds of videos on auto detailing the right way, methods, tips, tricks, plastic restoration, paint correction, a mold detailing trailer build, which is absolutely epic. I also do a two-part epoxy floor. I also show installation of different gear, and there's just a ton of information that's on my channel. I would highly recommend you subscribe to stay up to date. And I really do appreciate you watching my videos. And let's get back to the original video. All right, let's take a closer look. Let's see how he did. So, it's pretty good. This almost looks sandblasted, so it almost looks like maybe from rocks and stuff hitting it, maybe it was coated, which is exactly what I think it is. I think it was maybe coated and then rocks and just debris from the road hitting it has kind of, let's call it sandblasted it, or road debris blasted it or something. Tires look good as well. So the product I used today on the fender wells was Surfex HD by Bilt Hamber. I used it in a 30% dilution ratio, so 30% product, the rest water. And I applied it using an IK foam sprayer. And to me, this is probably the best combination, or it's actually the best combination that I've ever used. I use it quite regularly. That being said, hopefully you found this video insightful. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to leave them in the comments down below, and I will for sure get back to you. And also, if you liked the video, if you could please leave me a thumbs up to let me know that you did. If not, you can also give me feedback on that. That being said, I hope you have a great day or a great night, and thanks again for watching. We will see you on the next one. Take care.